Hello guys, on this video let's check how we can put a custom background on our Xbox. The method we're gonna use is pretty simple and we're just gonna need a computer and a pen drive to transfer the image to the Xbox. So very simple, we put our pen drive to the PC, we select and copy all the images we want to transfer to our Xbox and then take the pen drive and put it to the Xbox. Now on the Xbox we go to our settings, then we go to General, Personalization and then to My Background. There you can find amazing dynamic backgrounds available for free, like those ones or those one with the Xbox logo, or I really like even those with the Xbox console. Those are actually one of my favorites. But in order to put our own image, we select Custom Image, we go down to our pen drive and you'll see the pictures you transferred. Select one and immediately it will be set as your background. So let's go back to our main menu and you'll see the alien picture as I selected for my background. For more tips about Xbox, check my next videos right here on the screen.